Hello lovelies! Today's video is about how to add transparent watermark with butterfly wings font. Go to Google and search Daffont. Now search butterfly, not butterfly. I didn't do any spelling mistake, okay? This is the important step. Search butterfly, not butterfly. Now download it like this. Now go to Files and extract the font. Now go to CapCut and click New Project. I have downloaded green screen from Pinterest already. Now choose the butterfly font and type your channel name. You have to use this to add wings. You can add shadow. I suggest to use shadow, it will look even better. Now delete the end screen and export the clip. Now select the video to add the watermark. Click to overlay and add the clip we exported. Now adjust it. Click on Blend and select Overlay. Now scroll and click to remove BG. And select Chroma key. Now copy what I'm doing. Drag this down and 100 the intensity and shadow. Click Duplicate because it's video clips, not photo, so you can't drag it to the last, so duplicate it till the end of the video. Adjust it and here it's done. Then download the video. Now I will show you how to add this watermark from InShot. First go to Pip, then add green screen watermark clip we made. Then click on Cutout, click on Chroma, and do the same thing we did in CapCut. Now go to the option Blend and select Overlay. Done. I know I uploaded the video late, because you know the reason why I'm busy, so I couldn't finish the editing. But anyways, thanks for watching lovelies. Comment down if you want editing tutorial, and of which specific short edit. Bye bye.